Hello friends, welcome back to Excel tips and tutorials. Today we are going to learn a new function in MS Excel, and this function is actually used to get the rounded value of a decimal, okay, of a decimal value. So whenever we have a decimal value in a cell, like a long decimal value, we always prefer to have a rounded value. So rather than entering it manually, rather than rounding the figure manually, we can use a formula in MS Excel, and that formula is called the round function. Yeah, here is the function, the round function. It will help you to round a decimal number in a suitable value. So let's see how we can do it through a simple example. So it has some values here. I'm entering some values 24.178, 4.271, 21 point and 20 point 261. Okay, so these are some dummy values, so I'm entering the rounded figure. Okay, so we are applying this function here. I will show you how we can apply this. The syntax for this function is equal sign round opening braces. Which number do you want to round? I'm selecting this 24.178, which is E7. Cell value is E7. I'm entering the cell value E7, comma, and how many digits do you want to round? Here I want to round up to 2 digits after the decimal point. Okay, I'm entering 2. I'm closing the bracket, clicking on yes. We got the rounded figure for 24.178, and that's 24.18. You can also apply the formula to the below cells by dragging it. See, 24.78 is 24.78, 21.932 is 21.93, and 20.268 is 20.27. So we got the rounded figure here. Similarly, you can also change the value here, how much you want to get the value, like how much digits you need to get rounded. Here I am entering 1. Let's see how it works. Yeah, for here we got 24.178, we got 24.2. Similarly, I am dragging the formula towards the below cells. Yeah, 24.78 became 24.8, the rounded figure. 21.93 is 21.9 itself, and 21.268 became 20.3. So that's how we can apply the round function in MS Excel to get the rounded value for a decimal. Okay, so this is a formula: a round opening bracket, the number to be rounded, and comma followed by the number of digits to which you need to get the rounded figure. So that's it how we can use the round function in MS Excel. So that's all from my part today for you. So I hope this video is useful for you. So if you like this video, please like and share this video, and also provide your valuable feedback in the comment section given below. And if you are coming to this channel for the first time, you may kindly subscribe to this channel, and also don't forget to click on the bell icon while subscribing this channel, because once you click the bell icon, you will be getting notifications on your YouTube platform whenever I upload new videos on my channel. Okay, so till I come with my next video, please stay tuned. Bye.